This is asynchronous work for honors students, especially who are taking AP exam. I'm making this video during your absence for AP exam. The reason why I wanted to make this because I might not be covered. I'm not be able to cover some of the lessons, so I just went ahead. Even 20 students are absent in my class, and I'm sorry. So you learn from the video, or you learn from the Delta Math or any other online resources. Okay, this is example 2 of the assignment 57, chapter 5-5. The first thing you do is they're asking the following to find the sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta, and tangent 2 theta. And we conducted this one during the class. And first you have to come up the triangle. So 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, which is 270 degree to 360 degree. What's the theta? So that's a quadrant 4. And what's the condition? The cosine theta equal 5 over 13. So it's going to be, we create this triangle. 5 is adjacent, hypotenuse 13. Now, and we did the Pythagorean triplets, and it's going to be 12 is the integer of opposite. So sine 2 theta, and from that, the formula they gave us is, we rewrite with the theta. So 2 sine theta cosine theta. So equal to, we plug in sine theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse. So 12, negative 12 over 13, and times cosine theta, which is 5 over 13. So we create the equation, and it's going to be negative 120 over 169. That's the first question, sine 2 theta. Second one is cosine 2 theta. It's from this formula here. I wrote down, instead of u, I use a theta. Cosine 2u equal cosine square u minus sine square u, which is, we get the cosine value here, cosine 5 over 13, right? And put the square sign has to be outside of the parenthesis, okay? Now, sine theta is same thing, negative 12 over 13 inside the parenthesis, and put the square sign outside, and subtraction here. So this is the answer, negative 119 over 169. Next one is tangent. Tangent theta equal 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta, okay? So in our activity, we wrote down that elementary, instead of fraction, we wrote down elementary way here, and plug in 2 tangent theta, so tor, right? Opposite over adjacent here, and multiply by 2, divide by 1 minus tangent square theta. So we got the tangent square, tangent theta here. So just all you have to do is square here. So 1 minus this value, and come up. First, we took care of the take up the parenthesis out. So 2 goes to the only the numerator here, but this square sign goes to both numerator and denominator. So it's going to be 144 over 25, and you do the inside of the parenthesis, it became negative 199 over 25. This side is negative 24 over 5. So if you write down the reciprocal and multiply instead of the division, right? So I rewrote this one and flip over, and 5 and 25 cancel. Answer is 120 over 119. So this is the end of example 3. I'm sorry, example 2. So next one is example 3. Okay. All right. Thanks for listening. So let's do example 3. And some of you, the voice will come out on the YouTube video. I hope you don't mind. All right. Before we conduct this, let's read this section right here. Aditi, oh, I'm not sharing first of all.